Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from Bitmart to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Bitmart and want to move it to Coinbase for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps with your crypto. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Coinbase. You'll need to verify your identity if you haven't already, as this is crucial for security. Also, ensure you have some XDC in your Bitmart wallet and that you've noted down your Coinbase wallet address. XDC uses the XDC network, so copy that address carefully to prevent errors. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets section and select XDC. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer out. Click on that. Step 2. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Check Bitmart's current fees for 2025 to avoid surprises. Then, paste your Coinbase XDC wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check this address. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Review the transaction details. Make sure the network is set to XDC network. Don't mix it up with Ethereum or another chain. Once you're confident, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Bitmart. Step 4. Now, switch to your Coinbase account. Go to your wallet and keep an eye on the deposits section. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to show up, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once the XDC appears in your Coinbase wallet, you're all set. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into any issues, reach out to Bitmart or Coinbase support. That's it for this quick tutorial. Transferring crypto is easier than ever, but stay safe out there. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.